Good afternoon, class. Today I will be showing you how to create a video meeting using Zoom. So what you're going to do is in your search engine, mine is Google Chrome. You're going to enter Zoom video conference. And you're just going to look for zoom.us and click that. And then if you don't have a Zoom account, you're just going to sign up. It's free, like it says in the top right corner. But for me, if you already have one, you're just going to sign in to your good Zoom account. And then you're going to use your verification code that's sent to your email just to verify whether or not you are the person signing in. Okay, once you get that code, then you're going to be escorted to this page. It's going to say meetings. And what you're going to do is click top right corner where it says host. And you're just going to, and for some people like myself, I have the Zoom app downloaded into my computer software. So I'm just going to open Zoom on my computer and turn on my audio. And I'm completely capable of orchestrating and starting a meeting using Zoom. But if for those who have the Zoom app, you can just log into Zoom and go to home and you can start new meeting. And you can, it's pretty much the same thing on the app as it is on the website. And that's how you're able to orchestrate and create a Zoom meeting using the Zoom website. And if you are adding participants, you could just invite them. And if they're in your contacts or by email, you can invite them to your Zoom class. And yeah, that's how you start a Zoom meeting.